As I was going over the far famed Kerry Mountains, I met with Captain Farrell and his money he was counting. I first produced me pistol, I then produced me rapier, saying, stand and deliver, for you are a bully saviour with your rignamaduramadah. Whack ball the daddy-o, whack ball the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I counted out his money and it made a pretty penny. I put it in me pocket and I brought it home to Jenny. She sighed and she swore that she would ne'er deceive me, but the devil take the women, you never can believe 'em with your rignamaduramadah. Whack ball the daddy-o, whack ball the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I went on to me chambers all for to take a slumber, dreamt of gold and jewels, and for sure it was no wonder. Jenny took me charges and she filled them up with water, sent for Captain Farrell to be ready for the slaughter with your rignamaduramadah. Whack ball the daddy-o, whack ball the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar.